So I got a comment on one of my earlier video. So and I thought, why not? I could just make a video about it. So now here is the full video on how you can check your Waec results. I mean the latest way in which you can use to check your Waec results. So this is going to be for people that wrote Waec this year, 2026. And then so from this year till next year, coming years. So this is the actual update. So from years back till 2025, so it's still the old method. Now, for you to check your Waec results in 2026, if you wrote Waec this year, so you have to come to serial.ping.waec.org, as you can see, as it's shown in this browser. So once you are here, so you have to come to your examination year. So you are going to pick 2026. As you can see, it's only 2026 that is even available. So you are going to pick 2026. Your exam diet. So that should be Waec for school candidates, which is for public. We all know why Waec GCE is for private. So you should be familiar with that one already. So you are going to choose Waec for school because it's only for school Waec that was still written. Waec GCE has not been written yet this year. So you are going to pick for candidates. Then candidate number. You have to enter your 10 candidate number. You have it there. And your name. The name that you use during your Waec registration. So I'm going to fill in the candidate number and a name so that we can proceed to the next stage. So this is supposed to be the Waec number, and then I'm going to paste the name. Now I'm going to enter an email address and phone number. Now the email address, I'm going to write my own email address so that I can get the OTP. And then the phone number, I'm just going to enter my phone number too. So send OTP. Now, as you can see, OTP has been sent to the email address provided. That's where the OTP was sent to. So I'm going to receive the OTP personal in the email address that I provided. So let me check for the OTP and input it. So I've gotten the OTP. So I'm now going to click on verify OTP. Now, as you can see, it said record not found. Now, since we are unable to find the record, so let me also show you how to retrieve your Waec candidate number. So in case you don't know it, because in this case the person does not have the Waec candidate number, so I'm not really sure if that's a correct candidate number or not. So I'll just use the time to take you through the process of how you can retrieve your Waec candidate number. And please note that you are doing this officially on the Waec registration website, and there is a fee attached. So you are not doing it for free, you are paying, but you'll be able to do everything yourself if you watch this video to the end, because you have lost it. So you are going to click on here. So click through to the dedicated portal, to the Waec created dedicated portal. So here you are just going to create an account. Now, if you already have an account, you are going to log in. But I believe you don't have an account. So what you are going to do is to create an account. So now, to create an account, you are going to click on I want to drop it step by step. So you're going to click on the first option here, certificate access candidate. So we are going to click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to provide your name, the name on your Waec information. So it's going to be your surname and your first name. If you have a middle name, optional, you put it there. Email address, the phone number. So the phone number is going to be your current phone number. So your password, and then you're going to click on I have confirmed the information above. So I'll be creating an account right now. Probably I should get it. As you can see, account has been created successfully. Now we are going to check for the verification code and submit. As you can see, account has been created successfully. Now let me log into the accounts. Now, this is how the portal is going to look like for you to retrieve your Waec certificate and candidate number. So now, to recover candidate number, you are going to click on here. Now, they are going to ask this question. As your name changed since you took Waec, since this is recent Waec, I'm just going to say no, and proceed. Now, I'm asked to choose year. I'm going to enter 2026. Exam type, Waec for school and Waec for private candidates. So I'm going to choose Waec for school because I'm retrieving for the 2026 just concluded Waec students. So I'm going to input the date of birth here. So I'm going to click on retrieve examination number. So see, now make this unit. Now they say costing and charges cost 12 units, and now approximately at the 12 units charge, as you can see right here, the 12 units it is actually charged at this particular fee, as you can see, which means you are going to be making the exact amount of this fee to retrieve your candidate number. So if you want to make the payment, you are going to click on make payment, and I suggest you use Paystack. Then you click on make payment. has been loaded. So always click on transfer. The transfer option is always preferable. Now the total amount you are going to make, this is the total amount, as you can see. Now, aside using the Waec website to check your results, so in case you don't have your serial pin, I mean the Waec ID card that was given to you, issued to you after your Waec registration, you can also purchase Waec pin and Waec scratch card externally. So that one costs 6,000 to 6,500 naira. So this is it above. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. See you in the next video.